showed up as a recommended video. Blah 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 blah. Sincerely yours, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Recognize your team. Choo-choo. My card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during the shipping, if you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you very much, Rick. This is from Rick of YouTube, the famous Rick Rold. This is the button. This is already a book because this is already a fake unboxing. It's already displayed with so many dust. Presented to Exit for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is not really Exit, this is XP Films renamed to Exit. So the 100 subscribers is the subscribers of XP Films. Very sorry. Hopefully this award will wake up all the 100,000 subscribers of Exit Films. Shout out to Christian Navarrota from Bohol. Tagihan na siya og resort sa Chocolate Hills. Dili day. Namaligyan na siya og scallops lang. Na siya ipet nga tarsier. Lahira siya doon taga Bohol. So, mauna siya ang exit button. Atong i-feel ang texture sa text. Ano siya ang texture sa text? Nag-vibrate. I think ang relax na siya. Can you feel the laughter? Vibrating. It's like a magic wand, you know. Joke lang. Okay. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below in the comment section. All your comments and everything. Exit is not yet monetized because the watch hours was reset to 0. It is currently at 2,000 watch hours out of 4,000. So please help us get that 4,000. Please select a playlist and loop that playlist until the end of time. Okay ra i-mute ang inyong laptop, inyong cellphone para dili kayo sabang. masayang box. YouTube, the future of cinema. Sure.
Okay na?